having left ABS-CBN?
I regret it because naturally, I felt like a fish out of water. I really felt, oh yeah, now I can breathe again. I'm back in the ocean. You know, you get to a point that you keep trying and trying. I think I became too complacent. I became very lazy. I couldn't even get to the point of pushing myself to lose weight because I was too complacent.
Habang ikay nagbabalik dito sa ABS-CBN, ano ang mga ilang bagay na nabago at mga bagay na hindi mababago?
Puso ko, never. Never. I got to where I am through hard work. Never stepped on anyone's toes. Never used anybody. Just worked myself.
Anong nabago?
Mas ina-appreciate ko na ulit. Lahat ng dumating na grasya, pinagpapasalamat ko na. Tsaka alam mo nung wala ako, I don't wanna talk about other people. Ako lang to. Sabi ko nga parang your feet may leave home, but your heart,
Stays.
it stays. And before nasa kalye ako, naalala ko, minsan makita ko van ng ABS. Ang sakit-sakit sa puso ko. Kasi I didn't feel like I belonged anywhere else. So, sa